used to keep, I used to keep, I used to keep a dream journal. I used to keep my deepest thoughts in line to help me keep my troubles off my mind. I used to wish for a brief reprieve. I used to wish for clean mountain air, for the world that I could see from there. I dreamed a dream of firesides, of lake shores, of car rides, of sitting back and gazing at the sky. I dreamed a dream of screwing up, of plastic forks and paper cups, of living someone else's life. Someone else's life. I won't sit, no I won't. No I won't sit in your cold city square. No I won't sit in your brown leather chair if I see that there's nothing for me there. I will bite, yes I will bite. Oh, I will bite the apple if I choose. If I don't eat the fruit that autumn brings, then I will wait for rhubarb in the spring. I dreamed a dream of firesides, lake shores, of car rides, of sitting back and gazing at the sky. I dreamed a dream of screwing up, of plastic forks and paper cups, of living someone else's life. But after all is said and done, and after my race is run, I'm worried about what I'll find down that line. I'm afraid I'll look at all I've earned, at the cost of dreams deferred, and wonder if there's something left to